Are you tired of spending hundreds on a logo designer? What if I told you could create a professional, print-ready logo for free in just minutes? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to design and print a stunning logo using Canva even if you're a beginner. Step 1. Open Canva and choose your logo template. First, log into Canva. It's free. Then, type logo in the search bar. You'll see hundreds of customizable templates. Pick one that fits your brand vibe: minimal, fun, corporate, you name it. Expert tip. Search by industry, for example, coffee shop or tech, to find the most relevant designs. I'll use this template. Let's customize this and make it ours. Step 2. Customize your logo. Click on the template to edit. Change the text to your brand name, adjust the font, and play with colors using your brand palette. Canva's color picker lets you match hex codes for consistency. Now the design of your logo will depend on how you want to design it. You can use any color, any font. You can use any shape. In this video, I just gave you an overall idea. You can write any text in your design, such as the company name, the company tagline, the year the company was established, etc., but the less text, the better. If this is your first time designing a logo, I would suggest you try different colors and different font styles. And if you know about colors and fonts, I would say just finish the design in a simple way. Take as much time as you need. Expert tip: stick to 2 or 3 colors max for a clean look. Need inspiration? Check Canva's color combinations tool. Step 3. Add graphics or icons optional. Click Elements and search for icons like a camera for photography or leaves for eco brands. Resize and position them to balance your design. Expert tip: use the lock feature to keep your text in place while moving graphics around. Step 4. Download in print-ready format. Once you're happy, click Download. For printing, select PDF print or PNG high quality. This ensures no blurry edges. Expert tip: need a transparent background? Choose PNG and toggle transparent background before downloading. Step 5. Print your logo. Now, upload your file to a printing service like Vistaprint or print locally. For best results, pick premium paper, glossy matte, and double-check the dimensions. Bonus tip: order a test print first to check colors. Screen colors sometimes differ from print. That's it. You just designed and printed a pro logo for $0. Give it a try and tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. If this helps, smash that like button and subscribe for more Canva hacks. If you stuck anywhere, ask me anything in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Want to grow your brand? Watch my next video on how to use your logo on social media. Thanks for watching. Click here for my next video. See you next time.